Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel, out here at the walking trail again, and I just opened my door, and what do I see on the ground in front of me? That looks like the tape that the electricians use to pull wires from conduit. You can see all the nylon threads in there. That is going to make a great bow drill bowstring. Much better than your shoelace, bootlace, t-shirt hem, natural cordage. Good. Let's get this walk out of the way. Make sure you have the carburetor facing up, exhaust down. All I have is this deep 5/8. I need one of the shallow ones. So we'll struggle with this. Let's see how balanced the blade is. It ain't bad. It's a little heavy on this end. I kept sharpening until I felt the burr on the back right here. So this is good and straight across this side now. Same thing here. Now, is it still balanced? I don't think so. Alright, let's put it back on. Of course, we have a rusty witness mark. And if you don't believe that, you can see that these wings right here are pointing upward. Both of those are pointing upward. So we're good. That ought to make a difference right there. Let's crank it up, make sure it's not flooded or clogged up with oil. Here's some more dogwood, soaking wet. The last 12 days we've had some rain every day. Let's go ahead and make a log cabin fire lay. All right, here is our nylon cord, and put a knot in one end. And in one end of our bow, we don't have a slot, so let me cut that slot. Now we'll twist it up so that it's not flat, so that it's round. All right, let's go for the burn in. Tighten it up on my leg. I'll cut that notch, hold on. This magnolia has been a great set. Got somebody pulling up the driveway, hold on. All right, the coast is clear. Shouldn't everybody be making bow drill videos in this same style here? Just saying. Tighten it up. That super bowstring did a great job, didn't it? Now, let me set the camera up to where it's in a better position. By the way, once I get the fire going real well, I'm going to give you a better vantage point. I'm going to try to set you up there. I'm gonna get all my stuff up and come back and we'll tend to the fire a little bit. All right, I'm gonna take you up on the deck and let you watch this while I am, of course, mowing the grass, like any respectable bow drill video ought to show you. The cable guy just pulled in. Our internet's been out for 2 days, so I'm gonna have to deal with him.